Hey, good morning. Hey, welcome back. Wow, look at all this cement. Hey, Ruben.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. That's a lot of cement. They brought bars too. 10 millimeter. They brought bars. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 10 mm. Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning, good morning. I'm going down there, but I ain't carrying no sack of cotton. Oh yeah. It's good to be back, even though my finger is not good to be back. I can't help it. I'm not gonna touch anything with that finger, so I don't see why I can't stand here. Right? That's the way it is. If I lose it, I lose it. Hey, it's a nice day. It's a wonderful day in the Barangay. I was just looking at, you know, Bungles the Clown, who was famous in Portsmouth, Virginia. You know, I was on the show with Bungles the Clown, you know, where they sat like a class of kids up in the bleachers. I don't know, it wasn't the same class. You know, you just sign up and you get to go in the bleachers and be in the show, Bungles the Clown. I forget what the show was called, but anyway, I was on there, and I guess he died quite a while back, but I just saw while I was cruising through the internet, surfing, I saw where Bungles the Clown was passed away. But he was a favorite. I think they shot that show in Portsmouth, Virginia. I was on that show when I was like 5 or 6 years old, 4, 5 or 6 years old. I was on the Bungles the Clown show, or whatever it was called. I was in the bleachers, and the clown, you know, came out and did a skit, and the kids got to watch the clown down there. So, all right. It's good, looking good on the home front. You know, we got a delivery. We got one truck in, but we had to order another truck, and it was going to come tomorrow, but it's going to come today. So we wanted to add something to the truck, but she can't get in touch with them. But we'll see how that goes. Things are progressing nicely. Got more cement for the pad up there. These are going to be drop lights. I just went and got these for underneath the house. It's going to be 9 lights. One over there, one there in the center of your screen, and then out on the balcony 3. So there'll be recessed lighting underneath the house. So kind of be cool. Put some different, maybe put a different color into there, maybe blue, so that everything will work out. You know, the blue will match the paint and everything like that. So right now, I think I just am in the that was the storage room I just walked out of right there. And I'm in the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom door, I guess, is up here. Yeah, The guest bedroom door is right here. And this is the hallway right here. That, you know, come down the hallway, you go into master bedroom right there. And this is a wall right here. And then you go in, you also go down the hallway and you get into, this will be the Rain's bedroom right here. Whoa. So you walk in Rain's bedroom right here. And this out here, like right outside the guest bedroom, the stairs will be going up right here. The stairs will go up. I'm not sure yet if we're gonna have a landing up there. Whatever it takes to get the right rise and run. And so a little bit of this left over here will be this right here that I'm standing in. It'll kind of be the it's like a family room, and there'll be a little bit of it left back there. And so along here, you walk into Rain's bedroom. This is my daughter's bedroom. And this will be an open closet like we was talking about. I like that design. So if there's an open closet, how is this going to be there, Gary? Gary,
Sir?
How is that going to be there if it's an open closet?
Yeah, open. We have the little wall there.
Oh, it's a little wall.
Little wall.
Okay,
for
okay.
the cupboard, the cabinet.
Okay,
Cabinet.
yeah. All right. Good. And then the other lights, like I said, is out there on the balcony. There's one of them, the orange thing out there, recessed light. So, anyway. And she will have a sliding glass door, and that's her bathroom that Gary's in right now. They're working in the wall between the bedroom and the bathroom. And that yellow, that blue is probably the sink or the shower. That's water supply, right, Gary?
Yeah, water supply for the sink.
Yeah, sink. So that's where the sink will be. And you see where her toilet is over there on the other side of the wall. And the shower?
And the shower, we have a connection for the wall.
Oh, okay. So there's going to be a separation between the shower and the bathroom?
Yeah. Separate the wall?
Yeah, a short wall or something?
Yeah.
Because I don't like that water being near the toilet.
Separate for water closet and shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just at least like a 1 block high or something.
Yeah.
So you can step over it into the shower.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, that would require a drain right there.
Yeah, drain. Here, maybe 2 drain or 1.
From where?
Water closet and the shower. Or here is a dry.
Yeah, dry.
Dry, yeah.
Just only in the shower.
Only in the shower, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that's not yet there, right?
Yeah.
Where would that be, in the wall?
No. Here.
Oh, that's why you got down. Yeah.
Connection.
Okay. I got you. Just only a drain inside the shower. There's going to be a 1 block high around it.
1 block high?
Yeah, then we could just put a shower curtain or something like that.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe we should talk to Kat about that later.
Maybe later.
But there will be a drain there.
Yeah.
In both bathrooms. All right, I'm gonna leave these guys alone. I don't want to make them nervous or something like that. Walking around with his camera. But I'm gonna go down and get out of the sun because I ain't supposed to get this thing sweaty. That's loads of gravel that just came. Next will be, they brought the sand already. Truck 1, You know, got this, we took a little bit of cement off so we could get the remaining 10 mm to go on a couple sections of the balcony. Like right here, you can see that along the edge that the rebar is, but not on that one little section, not on that section, and not on that section. So that's rebar for those sections right there, or deformed bar, as they call it here. And the other truck is not going to be until tomorrow, so it's going to have another 110 bags of cement. So, and it's going to have some more rebar for the 16 mm for the columns that are remaining. There's 40 of those, I believe. And I'm not sure what else. A scree is coming on there, aluminum scree, which if you don't know what that is, it you go across the concrete pad and slide it back and forth and move it along. It makes the pad level. So that's what it does. So, and this is for the electrical. Electrical is the orange one is like that. So. That's a big chunk of cement there. So. I don't know how they keep that part of the I guess you're gonna stuff it with bags or something like that in this crack. Or stuff a bag in there or something like that when they pour the pad to keep it from leaking out. So, look how nice and shady it is under here today. Slim shady. I don't like that. I don't really like that song. It sounded weird to me. But I'm old, so.
Baskag na oras banwa.
Andam ka madam sa kapilya mo to.
Sen.